Now the next topic is recycling of paper. Okay, I have explained in this chapter conservation of plants and animals, that the consequences of deforestation and the causes of deforestation. Okay, so we are learning here about conservation, so we need to protect our forest. Okay, and we have learned that one of the reason for deforestation is the manufacturing of paper. Okay, for the manufacturing of paper we used to cut down trees. All right, and you know what, that harmful chemicals, number of harmful chemicals are utilized, they are used in the manufacturing of papers. Okay, so see, if we are using a large amount of papers, it means we are cutting down large amount of trees, large numbers of trees, and they are using harmful chemicals in large amount so that paper can be made. And you know, it takes 17 full grown trees to make 1 ton of paper. It means that for every ton of paper recycled, if you recycled 1 ton of paper, it means you are saving 17 trees. Okay, so please do recycling of paper, do not waste paper. If you do not waste paper, you will surely you will conserve the forest or trees. All right, now next is about, see, hence it is advisable to save, reuse and recycle paper. All right, paper can be recycled 5 to 7 times. Okay, 5 to 7 times you can recycle it, and it will be ready for use. Now how you can recycle paper, see, first, paper should be collected. Paper is collected here, okay, in bins or sacks, okay, from your houses. Then scrap collector will take them. Okay, then truck will collect papers or newspaper from scrap collector or from scrap yard. Okay, and then paper is sorted here. Okay, in industries, paper is sorted into different grades, and then it is built for recycling. Okay, one, it is recycled, then it will again, you can buy it from the market. At last mixed paper will be made. Okay, maybe you have seen the color is not white, but it is somewhat dark in color, or you can say it mixed paper. Okay, it is made from recycled paper which you can buy from market again. So this is how paper is recycled. Okay, and by recycling paper you can actually save a tree. Okay, I hope you have understood about this.